Meaning of fashion.
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 Fashion. Fashion refers to the prevailing style or custom in clothing, accessories, footwear, and makeup. It also encompasses the trends and influences that shape these styles and the people who follow them. Fashion has become an increasingly important aspect of modern society, reflecting changes in culture, technology, and politics. It can also be a form of creative expression for individuals and a reflection of their personality. Ultimately, fashion is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that influences and is influenced by many factors, both within and outside of the fashion industry.